HDO or heavy duty orbital pads are Lake Country's innovation and a true game changer for long throw polishers. Our team spent hundreds of hours designing, refining, and testing our patented design. HDO pads were developed to be more durable and perform better than any other foam pad on the market when paired with a long throw polisher.
The HDO line features a dual layer design that provides all the benefits of a tapered pad plus the even compression of an exact fit pad for long stroke polishers. The innovative shape and design offers the benefits of a thin pad, such as increased power and reduced pad movement as well. HDO pads also have the ideal weight and balance for proper rotation on all long throw polishers. The unique tapered edge prevents pad rolling and allows for easy pad rotation and precise polishing in tight areas. Lake Country's HDO line includes a heavy cutting microfiber pad, a light cutting one-step microfiber pad, along with a variety of foam pads to dial in your polishing process. The HDO Light Cutting Microfiber pad is great for polishing on hard paint as well as cutting. Many detailers use it as a one-step polishing pad. The longer fibers and plush material help reduce the matting and increase residue control. HDO pads block heat transfer between the layers and have a center ventilated cooling channel to dissipate heat away from the center of the pad, reducing the temperature and increasing the durability. Lake Country HDO pads are available in 6.5, 5.5, and 3.5 inch sizes to work with most popular long throw polishers on the market, including the mini long throw polishers as well. These pads offer a hook and loop attachment that fit a 3-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch backing plate. Durable, long-lasting HDO pads can be used for a variety of cutting and polishing needs. You can find our detailed aggression chart for the HDO line and more product details on our website or in our catalog.
Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.